Guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm just going to show you how to add a nickname to Facebook profile, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So if you don't want to make any mistake, just make sure to watch the full video to the very end, and do not forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And first of all, open up your Facebook app, and then just simply come to the menu and tap on the gear on the top right to open the settings and privacy, and after that go to account center, and in the account center just simply select your profiles, and here select your Facebook profile, and after that you can see the option of name on the very top. Just simply tap on that option and click on manage other names, and here simply add your nickname. Tap on show at top of profile and tap on save button to save the changes. So let me show you that our name is added to a profile or not. Just simply come to profile, and here you can see we have just added a nickname to our Facebook profile. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in the comment below and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks guys.